Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video we are going to be learning how to make this natural beautiful looking wig. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. Welcome back. Now let's dive into the video. To start, I am going to be using this cap, this OK cap. Some people call it condom cap. I place it on my dummy and I'm going to use this Lush product, Lush Hair Kinky. This is Lush Kinky and it's color 27. After losing it, I take one out of the bundles and I cut it into 5 pieces. After cutting, I started venting it on the cap with the smallest crochet needle. When you are doing this, you need to be very mindful of the needle, okay, to avoid needle piercing into your fingers, okay. And as I'm venting it, I'm doing double knot, okay. So when you are doing it, you need to double knot it so that at the end of the cutting it won't lose. Remember, this is a very short hair we are making, so you need to double knot it so that it won't lose after the whole process. And the quantity I'm using is very small, okay. I am not picking it big. It might look big because of the video, but I'm not actually taking big. It's very small quantity that I'm crocheting, okay. And when you are doing this, don't give too much space, okay, because if you give too much space, after cutting, all the whole spaces will show. If you're just seeing my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Just click on that red subscription box below this video to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You guys are my yori, the reason why I'm here. Without you guys, this channel won't go anywhere. Once again, thank you for coming back. The wig is moving gradually. Right now, I'm ventilating the front side. And when you are doing this front side, you need to make it more smaller. The size you are using at the back, you need to cut it into 2 for the front, so that at the end of everything, it will lay flat. Just like I said before, make sure you are double knotting it, so that it won't lose when you finish cutting it. I'm going to leave you guys to watch this video for now, and watch very careful so that you won't miss any bit of it, because every bit of this video is very important to watch. I'm almost done venting the whole thing. So after this, now the next thing is to cut. I'm changing it to my tripod so that it can stand and be easy for me to cut. So right now I'm cutting it, and when you're cutting this hair, you need to be very careful, okay. You don't have to cut it at once. You need to start cutting it from the tips to the root. Just be trimming it in a way it will look as if you are just trimming only the upper side, just like that. Please be careful, because this process can actually spoil everything you have suffered for. So when you are doing this, you need to be very careful. Just be cutting it tips by tips, gradually, and the work will be moving. I'm done trimming, so I just place it on my girl's hair to check the ear side, you know. But if you don't have anybody you can place it on, it's all good to go. It's just a small little touch that I touch the ear side, and check it out. It looks natural. If you don't know, you will think she tinted her hair, despite not being her color. Yet you won't know she's wearing it. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.